I'm Habib-ur-Rehman Alvi. Today I'm gonna make you understand about English language. How can we improve English? How can we speak English language? It's very informative and beneficial lecture, and please listen attentively and watch carefully. Today I'm gonna make you understand about the tips. We are Asians. We are not native speakers. We are learners. We are learning English language. For that purpose, we need to improve, first of all, grammar. As you know, the grammar and tenses play a vital role in learning English language. Until unless we are having command on grammar and tenses, so we can't speak correct English. And always remember, there are three major parts of English language: present, past, and future. And then we are having extended parts of these, tenses. So viewers, first of all, we need to have command on tenses, because until unless you know how to make sentences, you need to have command on the structure. So how can we speak English? Never. We can never speak English until unless we are having command on the tenses. Because sometimes we speak English in past indefinite, in the past tense. Sometimes we talk in future. So according to the tenses, we have to use forms. Yes. Tenses play a vital role, as well as second thing which is very, very important, that is forms of the verb. First form, second form, third form. Like, as you know, first form play, second played, third played. So when we are talking and we are making sentences in the past, so certainly we are going to use past tense, and the past, for the past tense, we are going to use played. Second or third form you will have to use in this according to the tense. So viewers, always remember, grammar plays vital role, and then forms. You must memorize forms perfectly, so that you will not have any problem while speaking English language. And the third thing, which is very, very important, that is called the vocabulary. Because we don't know about vocabulary, if you memorize lots of vocabulary, so it would be very easy to make sentences in English language. So always remember what I said earlier: grammar, forms of the verb, and the third, vocabulary. So if you know all these things, certainly you can speak English. You can understand English as well. And after that, we are having, practice. Yes. Practice plays very vital role, to be honest, I'm telling. And I can't help telling that practice makes a man perfect. Yes. If you don't practice, so how can we speak English fluently? It is said, you more speak, you more get fluency. It's reality. We need to have environment. Environment matters a lot. Viewers, always remember, by creating artificial environment, we learn English language. We speak English language. Environment matters very much. To be honest, I'm telling you. Practice, environment, and always remember, don't hesitate while speaking English language. Why? Because by doing mistakes, by making mistakes, we learn a lot. And we learn because we are not native speakers. We are not living in English-speaking countries. We are learning. So, for the learning purpose, you need to put practice, you need to have artificial environment, and I would love to say then you must, chat with your friends. You join your friends in the class so that you could speak English. And for that purpose, for English language, you need to improve your body language. What's body language? Body language, gestures, movements of hands. That is very important, honestly speaking. Why? When you use your body language, your brainstorming starts. You get ideas more and more. And for learning, for speaking English, I always say, we are in the playground. English language is just like a game. We are in the playground to play. Let's see who plays very well. And as you know that players, before entering into the playground, they warm up. They warm up first. The same case is with the English language. Because we are learning. We are not living in English-speaking countries. And we need to practice first. That we need to speak more and more. You will have more ideas and you will have more good results. So always remember, action speaks louder than words. Yes, action speaks louder than words. Body language, action, that plays very vital role in learning English language. Always remember. I hope so that it would be beneficial video for all of you. And one thing which is very, very important, if you want to speak, if you want to learn English language, imitate the Goras. Yes, imitate, copy the Goras, the accent, pronunciation. And if you watch videos of the Goras and the foreigners, imitate, copy his accent and pronunciation. That's really very, very important for all of you to learn English language. If you imitate, automatically you get ideas and you get qualities and you start speaking like Goras, That's very important thing. And expression also matters. Expression. Yes. In your English language, expression, body language, accent, pronunciation, environment, grammar, vocabulary, all these things play very, very, very vital role. Hoping you will like this video, and I would be making many videos for all of you. So for that purpose, you will have to subscribe my channel. You will have to like my channel and share my channel and video. For that purpose, and I will be giving and I will be making many new videos for all of you. And thank you very much for watching my videos. And I'll be back with new video very soon. Till then, thank you so much. Take care. Bye.